Number 1. Air is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases, including argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Number 2. The air we breathe is actually a mixture of gases that extends about 500 miles into space, gradually thinning out until it reaches the vacuum of space. Number 3. The Earth's atmosphere contains approximately 5.15 by 1018 kilograms of air. Number 4. Air is essential for human life, and we inhale around 11,000 liters of air every day. Number 5. The speed of sound in air is approximately 343 meters per second, which is why we see lightning before we hear thunder. Light travels faster than sound.